So this is the Fitelo Advanced Body Composition Scale. It has 4 electrodes to measure 18 parameters of your body, like your obviously body weight, your BMI, how much is your metabolic age, the most important thing, how much subcutaneous fat and percent fat mass you have, what is your body fat ratio, what is the lean muscle mass you have, what is the protein mass you have, what is the bone mass you have, so that if you are looking for your body composition, reducing fat, increasing the lean muscle mass, you are going to the gym regularly, this will be very helpful. And you also have to basically track it with your cell phone, so all the details, so whenever you are checking your weight every day, those details will be tracked in your cell phone in that particular order. All the specifications are also mentioned here, that it has a tempered glass and it has Bluetooth transfer, and you have to download Fitelo app for this weighing scale. They have also provided batteries along with this. And if you don't know, this is manufactured by the Fitelo company. It's an online health platform. It offers personalized diet, fitness, and lifestyle coaching for sustainable weight loss and holistic health. And all these services are also they are providing like weight management, like disease management, mind coaches, yoga, exercise, diet related guidance and all. Here you can download. This is the links for Android and iOS application. The price that they have mentioned is 5,000 rupees here, but if you can get a discount on it, then well and good. I mean, you can check on the Fitelo website and also on the Amazon website. So this is how it looks, the scale. 18 body parameters they have mentioned, and it has 12 months of warranty. It also has an in-app data storage, in-depth health report, HD number display, and accurate results. So let's unbox this and see. So from the box, there is this one information booklet, how to use a smart scale. They have mentioned you have to remove your shoes and socks before stepping. You have to keep the scale on a flat surface and hard surface, not on the carpet or anything. Your both feet should touch the metal sensors on the scale. This is important. And the feet should be placed inside the scale. Bluetooth and location should be enabled on your phone. You have to calibrate the machine to 0 before making a reading. And if at all the fluctuations occur, you can place like a heavy object like a dumbbell or something to check the machine stability. And if you have any issues, you can contact their customer support. This is the mail ID and this is the mobile number. We have to ensure that the LED screen first shows 0.0 before each reading. So this is, a basic flow chart. So first you have to download the Fitelo app on your Android, or if you have iPhone, then you can download for iPhone. These are the links, QR codes. Then you have to mention your mobile number, mail ID. Then you have to tap on tools, start, select weight tracker, then tap on the plus sign. Now we have to add this device of ours on the application, select smart weighing scale. Then in our mobile application, we have to turn on Bluetooth and location. Then only you stand on the smart scale. Okay, you understood all these steps are important. Then only you step on. Then a device will appear, tap connect, and then the device will sync with the app. And it will collect all the 18 parameters and compile them for you. I hope this is comparatively easy for you to understand. They have also provided 2 batteries. This we have to this is also user manual that they have given. These are the sensors and you have to keep your feet on the sensors. Model number is also mentioned, TRFT 2024. Use 3 volt 2 AAA batteries. something like this. You have to remove the battery cover carefully, then insert and then replace the cover. See, for weighing accuracy, gently step on the scale. You have to wake the scale up and then wait 10 seconds. Then only you can weigh yourself. If you have to clean it, just clean it with a slightly damp cloth or dry cloth, and do not use any liquids or waters or any abrasive cleaners, because then it will damage your scale. Do not store the scale in an upright position. This is important. And also do not keep it, under extreme moisture or heat or light, or where there's direct sunlight, because then, and do not keep any heavy objects on the scale. If you are using the scale regularly, then you can keep the batteries inside. Say for example, you are going somewhere, you are not going to use it for a month or so, then you can remove the batteries. All the body parameters, what it is going to check, it is mentioned here, all the 18 body parameters. And I told you how to set up the Fitelo Smart Scale. It is very easy. You just have to first download the Fitelo app. That we will do. And 12 months warranty they are providing. Okay, so let's. And yes, this is the founders note. The founders are Sahil Bansal and Max Singh. I guess they have also come on Shark Tank, the founders of Fitelo. So this is the scale. These are the sensors. And this is the so we have inserted the batteries, and if you can see, it is now showing 0.00. So you have to wait unless and until it shows the 0.00 on the weighing scale, and then only you can stand on the scale. I have purchased this at a price of 1000 rupees from the Amazon website, because there was a discount going on. So you can check out on the Amazon website and also on the Fitelo's website if you want to buy this scale. Frankly speaking, in this price point, it is a much better scale in terms of checking all the 18 body parameters. If you like this video, give up a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back in my next video. Till then, bye bye.